Hello and welcome to another Phonemos tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to quickly add users manually instead of using the SSO. So when you want to add a user manually, you first have to be an administrator. You go here on, click here on the cogwheel, go on manage users, and then Keycloak will open up. And then you're here on this user tab. And when you want to add a new user, you click here on add user. Here you insert the email address that you want to use or the username. We usually do it in a way that the username is equals the email address. This will be the same, so I change it a bit up. All right, and then once you've been finished selecting out the username and the email address, you can put in a first name and a second name. And what's important, you should click here on email verified, otherwise the user won't be able to log in. And then you can join them to any group. So let's say, for example, you create your admin user group or your employees group or something like this. Let's make it an admin. And then you just click on create. And then the user is created, but he still doesn't have his own password. So now to create his own password, you click on the credentials tab and click on credentials reset. Click here on update password, and then you can set how much time the user will have to set his password. I usually give him 7 days. And when you click on send email, then this user receives an email, and then the user can click on this email, create his own password, and then log in with his username and his password. Thank you very much for your attention. Hope that helped, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.